Inflation and the numbers that we're trying to watch on the market to help influence the market and get us back to a good jobs number or a healthy economy, those things will not matter if geopolitically we have an event that strains trade within our international society. And believe it or not, it's coming close. Just today it was announced that Russia invited India and China to participate in war games within Russia. Well, that's very interesting, right? That's their intent, is to disrupt the status quo. I feel like there's a lot of perceived disrespect and slight that's occurring within our geopolitical system, that even though we don't agree with these countries, if we don't find a way to resolve geopolitical differences, the domestic problems that we have, inflation, all of the social issues that we face, those are going to be insignificant compared to the loss of energy for us and allies, the loss of our goods and services. Do we want to eat? Do we want to have replacement light bulbs? Things like that we order and ship from China to the United States? Those things will go away, and they will go away like that.